Hot in Melica.
I really don't enjoy food when it's hot, you know. I get a good eat.
Hot man, watch out now, watch out.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to Skylife TV. I'm your girl Melica Skylife in the building. Yo, I want them guys. In today's video I will be doing, like, if you don't know, I haven't ate any red meat for about 5 to 6 months now. I only eat like vegetables and fish, lobster, shrimp, what else? Fish, lobster, shrimp, veggie chunks. I feel like I miss something. Fish, lobster, shrimp, veggie chunks. I don't think I've missed anything. Saltfish, those stuff, salt mackerel, stuff like that. I don't eat any red meat. No chicken, no pork, no mutton, no oxtail, nothing like that. But in today's video, I'm going to be doing an ital dish, but I'm going to be doing the dish outside. I'm going to be preparing steamed cabbage with a fried plantain and avocado for lunch. Actually going to be cooking in my backyard. We normally cook in the backyard. We like roast breadfruit on this coal pot. I'm gonna get the coal. I'm gonna start the fire. I'm gonna get the coal and start the fire. I'm gonna get a mesh to put on top because a steamed cabbage may I do, so I don't really want the fire high funny. So we're not gonna use stick, but we're actually gonna use coal. So we're gonna sort that out. You can't tie goat. So we need to tie the goat and you can't tie goat. So I'm gonna assist Tywin to tie goat before I do anything. Tywin, you need help? Stay right here, Arya. This is a little coconut tree. I can catch a coconut. You need help? Yeah? You need help? You're not time mute. Watch out, Mama knows this is a aki tree. Aki, the pan this a tree. Right, so. What is? You know, so we have grey herbs. Coconut tree at jail. Look much dry coconut on that tree. So at my house we use coconut directly from the tree. Your time, youth. Don't come area scratch bush. Your time, Tyrion. Yeah, but a thump there, you can pull off it. Time for the tree, so.
Mama, tell me not to tie.
I think he will pull you off. Tie. Yeah. But me.
Good job.
Alright. So you tie. Good. Tie good. What's your name?
One of them, Jelly.
Look at the coconut tree there, little guys. I'm going to show you the coconut tree.
One of them don't want to drink.
Sorry, we not pick none.
Mama, the coconut are good. They can't drink. No.
Sorry, we not pick them. Alright, let me pick one. Pick one. Screw. 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 Pull. Pull it here now. Pull. No, screw. Screw more. Now come. Screw. You come off there. Tywin got a coconut. You have to give me some of that. Mirror. Hold on there. Maybe I'm fully full up. That sound like me or not me, you know. Then one the little now pick no mama cut him. I go cut here now. and see if nothing in there. Come on.
Water right in them.
Go on.
I pull up.
Oh, I didn't know that. It only shakes when it's dry coconut. That sounds good. Let me see coconut. Let me see.
No.
Now go cut it for you. Yeah? Go on. Drink some. Give me some. Come, now put it in the boy. Give me my drink. Give me my shake. Oops. Sweet though. You taste some?
Want to pick?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, the pine skin be good too.
One again, time. Drink. Chug it.
Huh?
Drink. Drink it so mommy can cut it gut.
I'm done.
Done? Alright, let mommy chop it.
I don't want flesh. No, make my flesh. Yes.
Move yourself. Remove yourself. Remove.
What else is spoon you apply?
Move. Come here, so. Aria.
Melissa, no want no spoon. Eh?
It's tough though.
It's a beautiful fish.
Now make it drop, you know.
Yes.
Put it in your mouth. Let me see ya. Alright guys, so we're gonna catch the fire now. We have the coal. Sorry, I'm gonna use the coal under this one. Pass the bucket there.
Yeah.
You're gonna catch the fire now. No, I don't want to put your hand in there and dirty. Oh, crap. And dirty up your hand.
I'll fit you, I'll get you in fire.
Yeah. Now go.
Yeah, this is a combo.
Catch. Oh, I'm a booty out the door. Oh, you're gonna roast your breadfruit same time? Okay.
Why not eat it? Chicken and dumpling.
Cabbage. Sorry, don't put that on.
Alright, we're already seen that. That's alright.
No, Harry, no.
Oh, this is a funny thing, yeah? Yeah? Yeah, man?
Yeah.
I will bring the funny. All about glue.
Come on, it's right now.
Mama, we're cursing her.
So, this is what we have so far. We will catch a fire now.
That will make you blaze and that will make you worse at least.
Or use your bag. Yeah.
Then I push it. Oh,
Yeah, you can put that up.
this.
So guys, this is the cabbage. I am going to cut up the cabbage and then the carrots after. I'm a savage.
Yeah. Sexy beachiness. Yeah. Major.
Classy, bougie, ratchet.
Nasty.
Guys, I like to cut the strips like from around here because I don't like when the cabbage strips them liquor.
Hello, cabbage. Me too. Guys, this is the final. Yeah, so me and Melissa
Kerosene
are going to
oil.
make it fire now. They go blaze on me.
I will move.
Go blaze.
bad say finally. Fire finally catch you now. I'm gonna add some cooking oil in a pot to go on hot. No sir. Piece of butter.
Water, pump.
Guys, see this.
Melica Skylife building in the world. Melica Skylife.
Happy night. Hey guys, I tell you say,
Hey guys. Hey guys.
out of door cooking rougher than you think. I tell you, probably have to go finish up inside. So guys, I have to finish up the cabbage inside because I'm put the coal fire there. Hot. Get me from me out there. So I'm finishing up the cabbage inside. Just a steam it down and my soon done. Number one, if you catch a fire alone, it'll be a problem. I tell you, nice son at ya. That's what I tell you. So guys, oh, I forgot to say pot hot. Cabbage is completed. This is what it looks like. So guys, this is the finishing. Good as. I'll give me a taste test. Sit.
Yes, sir.
Just sit be. Oh, good. So we have avocado, steam, vegetable. Punki don't really like them food here. And fried plantain.
Saltfish in here?
No. No salt fish around. No. Taste the plantain then it's sweet. Somebody stop eating food like you don't plan for done. Taste piece of avocado.
No, tell me that.
Mr. Taste piece of avocado is good for you. I haven't ate avocado in a very long time. But I'm going to start eating now because it's good for you. Right, Taste?
Yeah, okay.
I tell food. I tell.
Yeah.
You taste the cayenne pepper?
Hot in Melica.
I really don't enjoy food when it's hot, you know. I get a good eat.
Hot man, watch out now, watch out.
Hot for sure. I tell you, piece more plantain if I want to. But so guys, they must up me out the door fire get away from me.
When you come in the house, no fun, no. When you come in the house.
Me have no fun in my room.
Then, first and foremost, I take a very long time to catch the fire that I want. When I do catch the fire get out of control from me. So I had to steam the cabbage inside. So one thing I did with the carrots, I don't peel the carrots. I scrape them. That way, you get a nicer taste out of them. Avocado. Here.
You know me, sir.
Hmm?
Me take up a book. If you see Harry, I say Harry, I carry a book for. No. If you see him. Oh. Yeah, you'll get work.
So guys, this is the end of the video. I am going to finish up. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button.
Melica Skylife.
Definitely leave a comment in the comment section if you like the video, and I'll see you on the next video. Please remember to subscribe. Get me to 2K later.